Hey everyone, welcome back to Prepare with Priya. So, for those of you who are new here, I share tips and insights about career pathways, jobs, and corporate life in general. So, today I'm here to bust mainly three myths and gonna tell you all about the facts in becoming a data analyst. So, let's dive in. So, first up, how much time does it take to become a data analyst? The answer isn't one size fits all. सो इफ लेट्स से इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, अगर आप शुरू से शुरू कर रहे हैं, आपको कुछ भी अभी नहीं आता है, बस बेसिक्स आते हैं. सो in order to learn everything from starting to advanced level in Python, SQL, as well as Excel and all, so for that you would need somewhere around 3 to 6 months. 3 months to become like intermediate level, and then in 6 months you can master everything. Next, do you really need a degree in data in order to become a data analyst? So the answer is, if you like already have a degree in data, that would certainly help. But if you don't have, so that is not a very strict requirement. So I have seen people in my organization as well, in Tech Mahindra as well. People are from like several backgrounds: economics, computer science, even social sciences. People who have done BA are also there in the data analyst domain. So if you have like the right skill sets, for example, you know Excel very well, you know how to play with data, you know how to present it visually, so you are already on a right path. So just develop the skills and go for it. Now let's talk about the last but not the least is how a day in the life of a data analyst looks like. So basically, you'll have to play around with data. First of all, you'll explore the data, you'll clean it. I mean, you'll remove all the duplicates, the null values, and all sort of जो भी कचरा रहेगा data में, you just need to remove it. You need to maintain a very neat and clean data in form of tables, tabular format. फिर उसके बाद आप उसका पूरा एनालिसिस करोगे. आपका पहले से प्रोसेस, अब इसमें आपका पाइथन ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं होगा, ठीक है. पाइथन से जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो ऑलरेडी आपकी ऑटोमेट हो चुके होंगे प्रोसेसेस, उसके थ्रू आपका डेटा आएगा, ठीक है. एंड देन यू नीड टू डू एनालिसिस ऑन दैट, एंड पोस्ट दैट यू विल हैव टू प्रेजेंट दैट विजुअली. You'll have to, let's say you have already applied all sort of business rules on your data, and finally you have the prepared data. Then you need to push all that data into your dashboard, in which you will present it visually, so that people who are in authority, they can just go through the dashboard, they can look how their business is performing in different aspects from your visually presented data in the dashboard, and they can take informative business decisions based on that. Okay, so majorly you would work with Excel, you would work with SQL, thoda bahut you will work with Python, and that's it. Also Tableau or Power BI. Okay, so if you are a front-end developer in data analysis as well, few people like work in front-end, few people work in back-end, few people are like specialized in both. So it depends what kind of work you get. Okay, so that's it. And you'll also have to work with all sort of teams for deriving insights from the data, or at certain steps you may require to collaborate with teams, because आप अकेले तो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है. So that's it. That's how a day looks like. It's pretty good. Sometimes when the data is very messy, आपका दिमाग खराब हो सकता है, but otherwise it feels like good. आप बिल्कुल flow में चलते हो. Until and unless कोई रोड ब्लॉक नहीं मिल जाए, वरना रोड ब्लॉक जैसे होता है ना, मैथ से क्वेश्चन आप बिल्कुल ऐसे फ्लो में सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो बहुत मजा आने लगता है कि अरे वाह कितना बढ़िया मैथ्स है. और अगर आप एक क्वेश्चन में रुके, आपको आंसर ही नहीं मिला, आप वहाँ रुक गए, तो फिर बस लगा अरे पूरा दिन अभी पूरा मैस हो गया. So that is how it is like to be a data analyst. And there you have it. 3 facts about becoming a data analyst. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I know most of you won't share, so just like and subscribe. Just this would help. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.